Welcome to Still Moments. My name's Paula. Thanks for joining me. Today I'm going to get started on this Blue Morpho Butterfly. As you can see, it's actually brown when it closes its wings, along with eye spots to scare away predators. When it opens its wings, it's a brilliant blue. I've gone ahead and created a little sampling. This is ultramarine blue with some colors on top and what that would look like. Cobalt blue, again with colors on top. And this is cerulean blue. And I think I will go a little bit between the cobalt blue and the ultramarine blue. In their tone, I like how bright this is in comparison. If you just layer using only raw umber, it sits on the surface quite a bit and it just puddles a little bit more like gouache. So I'm going to go ahead and get started and we'll see how this turns out. I'm going to go ahead and call this one complete. Again, here was my reference photo that I used and the finished result, and I'm very pleased with that. It was very helpful after I'd done all the sketching so I didn't mess up my painting to use this little sampling off to the side here, and I was able to know right away that I wanted a combination of ultramarine blue and cobalt blue. So it's dark in some areas and then it's a little bit more towards the cobalt in other areas. So I have some variation in the darkness in the wings, and that was just to darken raw umber, which is kind of like a dusty brown that I used mostly, as well as the yellow ochre kind of in the lighter areas, some cadmium yellow, a little bit of oranges here and there, and indigo blue in the center of each of these eye spots. So I hope you've enjoyed this time-lapse video. Don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe. Thanks for joining me. We'll catch you next time.